Hi, welcome to the Henderson Castle. I am Francois, the chef and owner of the castle and naturopath, and I'm going to show you very quickly today what we are doing here at the castle to fight the coronavirus, which, may I say right now in Kalamazoo, we are still free. However, we've got to be safe and so. So first of all, when you come to the castle, employee or client will be showing you with our laser gun, and it's a thermometer we can use, and it just read your temperature instantly. If you have temperature, we're going to send you home, of course. Now, everybody is afraid that there is not enough mask, and that's true, so we come up with a solution. Small mask, big mask. This is coffee number 2 filter, number 4 filter size. You can get that in any grocery store around the country. You take 2 rubber bands, you get buy some little larger rubber band, and you put one like that and one like that, and you need a staple gun, and you're going to staple twice, and you're going to see it's very simple. And one here, and one here, and then you put it like that on your face, and you work great. And then here we go. And now I have my homemade mask. Okay. Next, I'm going to take the mask out. It's easier, but it's very light, very simple. You see, you do the job. Of course, we have gloves as well for the kitchen and stuff. Doing anything they need, you can use gloves. Perfect as well. Just remember that the mask does not stop the virus. The virus is not airborne. It's contact only, so glove is good, but we have hand sanitizer. There's a crisis hand sanitizer, so as a naturopath I come with my own recipe. We have a shortage in hand sanitizer, so I use aloe vera. That's also in the shortage as we speak, so I'm going to be using baby oil, and I'm going to be using some hydroxide peroxide, and we're going to mix both of them. I remove some of them here, and I'm going to remove the top here, but we don't want to throw it away because we will use it again. And I'm going to put about half and half. A bit more. There we go. Just a little more. You see now, up. And then I'm going to be using this one here. I'm going to put in the bottle. As you see, and then I'm going to be adding here some little drop of tea tree to make even more sanitizing. Great antiseptic essential oil, lavender oil to make it smell good. And here I have a mix of cinnamon and clove oil that I did myself, but you can buy that at the health store. And then, oops, we're going to shake it. I'm going to put back the little plastic part here. So now it's kind of there, the diffuser. And I get the great sanitizer here. It smells good. You can smell the lavender, the tea tree, everything. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was the Henderson Castle video. Contingency plan to fight the coronavirus with a homemade recipe. So we can do it if we work together. Have a wonderful Sunday. God bless you. God bless America. Love you.